Ever notice those stubborn black streaks on your roof? That's not dirt, it's algae. And your pressure washer is not the solution. High pressure can damage shingles and void warranties. Instead, use a low-pressure chemical application with roof-safe sodium percarbonate or specialized roof cleaner. Spray it on, let it sit for 15 minutes, and watch as the algae simply disappears without scrubbing. This gentle method extends your roof's lifespan while eliminating those unsightly streaks. Remember to work on overcast days to prevent premature drying and protect surrounding plants from runoff. Need some pressure washing? Leave an inquiry at www.slondon.org.